We forgot that it is 5:08. Sorry.
Nobody's watching yet, but.
Oh no. If we'll get anybody on here.
I know.
I texted Bob. Oh, we forgot. Bob's not here, obviously. I'm going to make this video anyways, because then Tammy's going to post it up later. So, I have a souvenir on show.
That was Sam. Put that on there. Somebody's watching.
Show you guys this. Isn't this a great piece of mud? So, we went on our last trip, which was just a couple weeks ago. Bob and I and a couple of our friends went on a little walkabout around Utah. And we took my Gladiator. And then we got back. Of course, it rained, it snowed, it was Utah. It was muddy, it was slippery, it was like scary in some spots. And then afterwards we got home, and the next day I sat there with the pressure washer underneath my Jeep for well over an hour out at our manufacturing place trying to clean all the mud and everything off. It was terrible. About a week later we get our new alignment machine. We got that all set up. So my Jeep was up on the lift, and I'm looking underneath her going, oh, I really need to wash it some more, because even after an hour I didn't get it all off. This was wedged. Now, it was slippery, slimy mud when we were going through it. Now look at it. It like dried like clay. It's
like a rock.
This was in my wheel, between my brakes and my wheel, actually, when I was up on my lift. And I couldn't get the pressure washer in there. I could see it, and it wobbled around. But once it was up on the lift, then I could pull it out. My point is Moab mud turns to clay. You need to get it washed off as soon as possible. And I know it's hard, but I mean, my sliders, my skid plates still need to come off, because I'm sure the mud was up inside there. It was really muddy and yucky. And I know Kent that went with us. We worked our way into Monticello. It was downpouring. We were supposed to camp that night, and we were like, nope, not setting up tents and stuff in the pouring rain. Went into Monticello, found the last 2 rooms at the roadway in. It was like, woohoo, we got a room. And then he washed his Jeep off next morning, and then we went to another trail that looked exactly the same. We were on trails. We were on county roads, and it just was a mess down there during that week. So I wanted to share that. Make sure you're washing your vehicles off after you go on something like that. Super fun. What else was there we were going to talk about? Or something else I was talking about.
Our new stuff.
We haven't talked to you guys in a month. We haven't been on here for about a month. So we could go show you what we did out in the shop, which is where I found this lovely rock. What do we got going on? I don't even know what we're doing with this. But look, they must have been the same place I was.
Right.
That mud is just as bad. Yeah. Multiply that by 10,000 times. That's what my Jeep looks like. We got Nick working on this one all week long. It has been a big job, huh, Nick?
A makeover.
A makeover. Yeah. What else did you do?
Gears, had new ARB lockers front and rear, all new ball joints, wheel bearings, tie rod ends, put all our control arms on it, front and rear, upper and lower. I know I'm forgetting some stuff, but a lot. We did a lot. Pretty much everything underneath it will be new by the end of it.
Yeah, good job.
Those two are laughing at something over there.
If you want hunting off next week, this will be done before Friday, right?
Yep, I just got an alignment left, really.
Oh, yay!
Hopefully.
Okay, so we're gonna walk back here, show you our newest addition to the shop. Don't trip on this, Sammy. So we're super excited. Oh no.
There.
Oh,
Okay.
there. It started
It's still
up
live.
again.
Yeah.
Second one today.
Whenever the phone
so that's
rings,
good.
it does
Oh,
that.
So basically, we got these fancy fandangle things on each wheel, and it sends out signal via, I don't even, what do they call this thing? It looks like an alien with big eyes.
It's the Hawkeye.
The Hawkeye. Hawkeye, that's what it is. And Daniel, our pro, is going to work on this and get this line. And this is our pro in training right here, eating his peanut butter and jelly sandwich. But that's our biggest news. Plus, we had to put in a new garage door in order to get this alignment rack set up. Trust me, it was a bit of an ordeal to get this in here, but we're super excited to be able to offer this to all of our customers now. And is that Nick?
Yeah.
Okay, and Tyler's off, so that baby over there. Well, Daniel like spread out all over this week. Because Tyler's off for the week. He's in Vegas.
Get 4 bands.
Yes, he's got 4 babies and he's knocking it out. So we have that. What else?
I think that was.
We haven't. So got a disaster back there. We painted the bathrooms.
Oh,
The bathrooms look lovely. Look, aren't they pretty? They look so nice now.
yes.
Bathrooms have been all cleaned up. Ladies' bathroom. Let's see, fresh here. So I'm super excited. We have nice, lovely bathrooms. See? Pretty.
Getting a tour today.
This is our parts room.
Got lots of
Things
stuff to.
come and go. Keeping us occupied. Bob's out at manufacturing. They're working on a special project for our church today. I'm super excited about that. So things are finally settling down. This is November. It only took a year. All year long. We got Casey up front doing what Casey does and loves. Casey, David.
David's missing out on.
Watching us on TNT Tuesday because we're late.
David's got stuff falling off of his Jeep.
Oh.
Found under the Jeep.
Found under the Jeep.
But I don't think it came off.
It did not come off
Oh.
your Jeep, I can assure you.
Other than that, sorry about being late.
Mary and I were
We
chit-chatting.
were chatting about other things, and all of a sudden it's at 5:08. Guess I should have set an alarm. But that's all I got. So we'll see you again next time. Have a great November.